Hello and welcome to the Seated Sun Salutation series. This series you can do if you have a small space or limited on time. So as and when you're ready, beginning to come through to your easy seated position, that will look different for all of us. We may have our legs out, staggered, or traditional cross-legged. As you arrive in your seated position, just ensuring that the sit bones are comfortable. And before we settle into the sit bones, we'll begin to take the shoulders up towards the ears and rippling down the rib cage. We'll do that 2 more times. So in your own time, taking the shoulders up towards the earlobes, rolling the shoulder blades down the back of the rib cage. And after your third rolling of the shoulders, the invitation, taking the back of the hands to the thighs, maybe taking the chin mudra, index finger and the thumb, opening up, softening the elbows. Beginning to connect with the breath, beginning to connect with the inhales and the exhales through the nose. That invitation of softening or closing the eyes. As and when we're ready, we'll begin to take the arms up overhead, upward salute. Gaze can follow. Palms beginning to face forward. We'll begin to hinge, folding, walking or sliding the hands forward. As we fold, we'll begin to take a halfway lift, begin to tent up the fingertips, lifting the gaze. Exhaling, we'll fold back down. Walking or sliding the hands back towards our lap. We'll begin to take the arms back up overhead. We'll repeat that 2 more times. Arms beginning to go up, upward salute. Opening up the palms, forward fold. Walking or sliding the hands. As you fold, begin to take your halfway. Maybe tenting up the fingertips a little bit more. Softening and folding. Walking or sliding the hands back towards our lap. Opening. And fold. Halfway. And fold, sliding or walking the hands back towards our lap. We're going to take a variation. So as when you're ready, taking your right leg out as I face you, mirroring you. Left foot coming in towards that right thigh. We can take a twist, right hand towards that left shin near thigh. So imagine this similar to our lunge when we're exploring traditional sun salutations. We'll begin to gently release, hands coming in front of the shin, walking, sliding. Ensuring the right foot stays in contact with the earth. We'll begin to slide or walk. We'll begin to bend that right leg in. Arms beginning to go up. Little cactus, opening up the chest. Hands going. Releasing, forward fold. Halfway. And fold. Walking or sliding the hands back towards our lap. Shoulders over the hips. We'll begin to take that left leg out, making any adjustments with the sit bones. Take the arms up, and we'll fold. Walking or sliding the hands back towards our lap, we'll begin to explore your twist. Left hand coming along to that right knee. And we'll begin to release, hands coming back through. Bending that left knee, arms beginning to go up. And we'll cactus, opening up. Hands towards the sky. palms, folding, halfway, and folds. Sliding or walking the hands back towards our lap. We'll begin to take the arms up overhead. Cactus. Hands to the sky. Taking the hands down through to the heart. As you exhale, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your practice and your well-being. And thank you for taking this seated sun salutation series with me. Now, if you'd like to take this on repeat, you can get into that rhythm, that moving meditation if you like. Just honoring those transitions, particularly when you extend the legs out. Otherwise, have an amazing day and I will see you again soon.